Hey guys, it's my family. I look like shit, but welcome to my empty crib. Follow me in. Okay, so here we have my... Holy f***, it's echoing. So here we have my hallway. This is where I plan to put 2 of my shoe shelves and then a mirror, so you can take outfit of the day selfies for the gram. Following down this hallway, we have these closet doors. Very high quality. You slide it open. And here we have a mirror for my room that I haven't put up yet. We're gonna have some shoe racks in here. You can put your coats in here. Really nice. Next, this closet is our washer and dryer. It's good. I'm glad it has this tray because sometimes we flood our washer and dryers and it floods our apartment. So this is good. Hopefully this doesn't, oh fuck. Oh, I hit my hand on this. Hopefully it doesn't break, but we don't know because we broke our washer 2 times now. All right, so here's where I'm gonna have a huge ass mirror. So you can take even more mirror selfies. Following down this hallway, we have a room, high quality. We have some black, come on, zoom in on this shit. High quality, heavy doors, you know? It's not like our broken door hinges at our apartment that we live in right now. But this is this room. We have a double bed here, a nightstand here, and then when we turn this way, we're gonna have like a TV console with a TV and everything. But yeah, we don't really need much in our room since we're actually gonna have furniture in our living room to hang out in, because if you guys don't know, I literally sat in my bed all day. All right, here are these closets. I really love these closets though. My room doesn't have this and I wish it did, but they're just like huge closets. Like how great is this? Amazing. Anyways, we have these awesome countertops that you can come see. High quality, niceness, newness. I really love the white cabinets and everything. Amazing water pressure, you know. Here we have this toilet seat. It's quite odd, if you guys can see. It has like this brim on it. Here we have the bathtub. It's quite deep. I could take a nice bath in here and it would actually like fill up, you know, unlike my old bathtub, it would like go up to here. Really nice. Loving this back splash or whatever you call it in the kitchen. Here we have this. I like this, so now I don't have to just like throw my robe on the ground or whatever, because we have this awesome thing. Great. Oh, hold on, come back here. Look at this light. Now look at me in the mirror. I don't look too shitty. Like you can do your makeup in here because the light isn't terrible. Especially if you, never mind, fuck that. Okay, my bad. Here we have our awesome thingy. I don't know. We've gotten to the kitchen. Okay, I really wish the kitchen had the black handles because I don't always love it. But my number one thing for finding an apartment was it can't have dark wood anything. That's just not my style. Here we have the, oh wow, look, they give us a cute starting package for our dishes. Here we have our cabinets, and what's really cool about it is if you know you're making some mac and cheese at night and we're being really loud,
That's soft closing.
Maybe I'm not gonna close that high, but maybe like that. It's soft closing. Don't push it like that. Here we have this. It's gonna, you know, hold our things. Lots of storage, more storage than we had in the last apartment. And what's really cool about this thing is watch. A freaking trash can. We're gonna have another trash can though because I don't ever take out the trash, so like we need as much trash cans as we possibly can. But also what's cool is, what the fuck is wrong? I'm not even trying to flex that. Here we have our awesome, dishwasher. So our dishwasher at our last apartment is actually broken. A lot of things are broken. It floods. All the water from the sink goes into the dishwasher and floods out. So we don't use the dishwasher anymore. Really cool. We're probably not gonna use it. We're probably gonna use it as a drying rack. Y'all Asians and Mexicans know. So yeah, lots of storage space. We have a brand new microwave, which is really cool. I feel bougie like that. How it's like in the wall, like what the heck? We have a hood thingy. We have a new oven, pretty freaking cool. Here we have our fridge. Unfortunately, I didn't get to buy the fridge that had the Samsung touchscreen on it. Brand new, really nice. We have a freezer. Unfortunately, there's no ice maker, but it's not like we drink anything with ice anyways. But it's nice that it's like the one below the fridge, because the ones that just like stick out from the top, everything always falls out. Also, can we talk about this flooring? Like, I love it so much. I love the color of this floor. I love it. It's amazing. Here we have our island. I really love the granite or whatever. We're gonna have like 3 bar stools here. Super cute. Really excited. All right. Following over here, we have my deck. Heads up, sorry for like the exposure change. I just didn't want to have to blur out the window, so I just turned up the exposure so you guys couldn't see outside, so that you guys couldn't kidnap me. And if you guys know where I live, just don't comment it, keep it to yourself, and come kidnap me. I'm kidding, don't kidnap me, please. I'm living a good life. It's quite chilly outside, and we kind of just like left our patio furniture out until like I actually move in to do it. But really nice doors again. And here we have my patio furniture. It's like wood, so it's super cute. So this window connects into the kitchen. I forgot to say that, but it's really cool. Lots of good lighting. So this is our living room. It's really loud because there's no furniture in it, but really nice windows and everything. The sliding door opens. It's like a kind of like a little deck going out to the road. Really nice. You can see the views. We're gonna get curtains also just to make this place like more cozy for when like we want to leave the windows open, and it'll look really cozy. So what I was saying, how we cannot have a rectangle couch is, where would you put a rectangle couch in this place? Let's say you put it here. How the f are you gonna watch TV sitting this way? Because our TV has to go right here. So I think that a circle couch would be really nice for right here, right? You sit, you chill, you watch the TV, and then you could have like 2 more chairs like right here. And if it doesn't work out, circle couch goes here and you still have room. I think the circle couch is gonna go here because it's pretty big. You could fit like 2 chairs here or whatever. And then we're gonna have our TV console right here. Our dining room table is gonna go right there. Hopefully it fits, we'll make it fit. Here is where I'm gonna put my MacBook, where I'm gonna my iMac. Really cool. I'm gonna have like a clear chair here and everything. So following here, this is my room. Wow, love this black detail. The one thing I love is these huge ass windows, like huge windows. Here we have this doorway, which wait, so I've never used this thing. How am I supposed to grab it? Oh, got it. Look at that. So like if you have people over and they're like, oh, I'm changing, you can literally just go in your closet and change. So this is my closet. It's just like these racks or whatever. I have a lot more room than I had in my last place, so I'm not gonna need a dresser, I don't think. I'll just be hanging everything and then having baskets. So we have this section here, and then we also have this big section right here. And then here we have this towel holder or whatever. I'm gonna put my robe on here so that it doesn't just like fall on the ground like how it usually does. Also, I'm just gonna kind of show you guys. Okay, so this is kind of the theme that we're going for, is like a bohemian, like modern look. So here we have like some wicker baskets, lots of plants we bought, and then this is like one of the rugs for my rooms, and this is gonna be a rug for the living room too, just like a bigger size. So here we have my bathroom. It's basically the same as my sister's, but it just has like a double sink for just me, because I don't have friends or anything like that. So one is gonna be for washing my face and one is gonna be for washing my hands, you know? Same drawers, we have the cabinets, same deep tub. What the f? Do you see that? What is this? What is this? Interesting. And then we have my towel rack. Can it shut up? Then we have my towel rack and then my toilet. All right, so that was it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, make sure to give it a Big thumbs up, subscribe if you want to. There's probably gonna be like 3-4 moving vlogs coming soon. I literally bought way too much of furniture, so it's gonna be fun to see me decorate this place. Turn your post notifications on if you guys are gonna be notified when I post, or follow my Instagram because I post it on my story every time because YouTube is kind of dumb sometimes and it doesn't notify people. But if you guys are excited for me to live in this apartment, let me know. Let me know what ideas you have. Yeah, until next time, peace out. Girl, that's not my thing. Until next time, peace. Oh, now I'm shaking, drinking all this coffee. These last few weeks have been exhausting. I'm lost in my imagination, and there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come through? If I'm honest, maybe we're better off alone, better off alone. Maybe we're better off alone, better off alone. Maybe we're better off. We don't have to take our clothes off to have a